Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In my last video, I installed this 3-Star Industries 2-piece windshield on my 2022 UForce 1000XL. Now, the windshield is fantastic. I'm not having any problems with the Velcro straps. They seem to stay tight. The only problem I am having is this lower portion of the windshield slaps when I'm running over 40 miles an hour. So I'm just going to put a piece of foam weather stripping down here in this lower area, same stuff that they use from 3-Star Industries, and that should prevent this from slapping around when I'm running down the road. The other thing I noticed was because there isn't any weather stripping right here in this area, the windshield actually bows a little bit. There's a little bit of tension on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a piece of weather stripping here as well. I did get longer bolts, so that way I'm not trying to squeeze the windshield to the bracket and causing more stress on it. As well as new nylock nuts and a larger washer. That way I'm not fumbling around with it when I'm trying to get the nut back on. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the windshield off, get it cleaned. It's very dirty right now. And get that foam weather stripping on there. And then I'll show you where I put it. So that way, if you're going to install this windshield for the first time, you can get it done before you put it on there. All right, so I got the lower portion of the windshield installed again. You can see the weather stripping right there, all the way up the side of the windshield. I did get new bolts, like I said, and you can see the threads are only sticking out of the nylock. I think it's about 2 or 3 threads sticking out. I also put a larger washer on, like I said before, that I wasn't going to have to fumble around with the washer and the nut when I was reinstalling it. So this seems like it's going to work out pretty well. So the bow on the windshield is completely gone. Contour's nice, doesn't move around at all. So I think it's going to work out really good. All I did on the upper windshield was put this piece of weather stripping down here in the bottom corner. I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the UForce and see how it is, but it should stop it from slapping. The windshield's completely back on. As you can see, just that little piece of weather stripping right there. And it still flexes, but it hits this portion of the weather stripping and not the roll bar anymore. But if that's an issue when running down the trails or running down the road, then I'll probably replace this piece of weather stripping right here with something that has a different type of rubber on it that's softer. That would prevent this from moving at all. For the little bit of work, I think it's going to make a big difference. So thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.